700-800 जन हो गए, इज इट सो? तो मुझे तो 8000 जितने वाइब्स मिल रहे हैं.
ये पीछे वाला कौन है? ये टिकट बिना आए हुए हैं, नहीं कर रहे इसलिए मुझे टिकट नहीं लिया है. ओके, पुट योर हैंड्स लाइक दिस, टेक देम अप, टेक देम राइट, टेक इट डाउन. दिस इज कॉल्ड पुटिंग योर ब्रेन्स aside, right? When you do something, you know, thank you for trusting me on that. When you do something like that, you know, the amount of fun you have doubles. Okay, so now I want you, don't forget you have put your brains aside. I want your entire mouth open. Only the first row now. I can't hear you guys. खाली पहली रो. आपने सबटाइटल सबमिट. अरे बस यार. You have put your brains aside. भेजा आपने बाजू में रखा है. Now while drumming, आपके पास ड्रम हो या ना हो, you have to act as if आप टाइट हो. And how do you do that? करना है. Sorry, ये साइड वालों को नहीं करना है. Thank you so much. We end it here. नहीं करना है ना? So देखो, imagine करो आप मुझसे hypnotize हो चुके हो. You don't have a choice firstly, right? So while drumming, while clapping, what you have to do is, wherever you are sitting, you have to roll. Try karo ek baar. Yeah. Yes. Everyone together. 1, 2, 3, 4. With the sound, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Now with the drumming. 1, 2, 3, 4. can we stop laughing? There's some discipline, right? I'm trying to make people do something. And the way you started dancing, my question is, why are you dancing alone? And why are people around you not, like, they do not have the same energy? उनको खड़ा करो. But एक बार आप अकेले दिखा सकते हो आप. See what happens is when we talk of energy, wherever we are. Let's do that. एक बार. Don't worry. अरे शर्माओ मत यार. मैं सच्ची में आपकी तारीफ कर रहा हूँ. Alright? ये energy, we want all of them want this energy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, agar just imagine if we have this energy in the entire room. Again, I give you 5 seconds. Why 5 seconds? Because agar aap zyada sochne mein lag gaye, if you think a lot, you won't be able to do that. Hats off, hummus, hats off to your guts. Try it. Let's do it. Let's try and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Show it to the world you're hitting it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get up. बैठना मत यार. मजा आया? At the back, can I have everyone up? खड़े हो जाओ यार, बैठ के क्या करोगे? Come on. Now, we'll do something that hasn't happened in the history, you know. We all know that, but we have not done that. Now, do you know Kacha Papad, Pakka Papad? Yes? Sing along with me. Kacha Papad, Pakka Papad. Right? Kacha Papad, Pakka Papad. Everyone together. Kacha Papad, Pakka Papad. भाई साहब, क्या दुख है? शादी हुई है क्या आपकी? अभी Okay, how many of you are married? How many of you are married? समझ सकता हूँ इतनी आवाज क्यों निकल रही है इधर. घर पे चांस नहीं मिलता ना. ओके. ये पीछे वाले क्यों इतने ठंडे हैं? हाथ ऊपर. Your hands up. And the loudest. 1, 2. अबे वो मेरा काम है. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One last time. 1, 2, 3. Now, with your entire mouth open as I count 3, I want you to scream. जितनी जोर से चिल्ला सको on the count of 3. आपके ये दांत को दर्द होना चाहिए. 1. अरे वो मेरा काम है यार. 2, 3. Now, comfortable everyone? We are going to do this for about 20 minutes, and trust me, the amount of energy we have with this is incredible. So now we start with call and response. Whatever I play, I want you to play it back after me. If you have a drum, on the drum. If you don't have a drum, you have to clap, alright? You can also stand if you want. If you are clapping, I want your hands up. हाथ ऊपर कर देना, yes, ताकि मुझे लगे कि आप बजा रहे हो. ड्रम हो तो नहीं. once again. मजा आएगा. Thank you. So now, ये कौन किसने सीटी बजाई? How many of you know how to whistle? सीटी मारना कितने लोगों को आता है? खड़े हो जाओ. अरे चिंता मत करो, मेरे को ही मारनी है. Okay. All those who know how to whistle, खड़े हो जाओ. सीटी मारनी आती है, खड़े हो जाओ. अरे शौक से. हाँ, एक, दो, और. अरे खड़े हो जाओ. खड़े हो जाओ. सीटी मारनी आती है तो खड़े हो. सो लड़कियों में से एक को भी नहीं आती. How many of you know how to whistle? Anyone? Do you know how to whistle? You can just act. Put your fingers like this. Yeah. Yeah. Put your fingers like this. Yes. Like this. Yeah. Try it. No problem. Try it. Okay. अरे All those who are whistling, कितने लोगों की शादी हो गई? हाथ ऊपर करो. हाँ तो काम खत्म हो गया. रहने दो. So on the count of 3, if you know how to whistle, you have to whistle. जैसी है आपको. However you know, you can try to whistle. In so many people, किसी को कुछ पता नहीं है. No one will know a jack. How did you whistle or not? 1. अरे 1 minute. 2. All right. So now when we start drumming, you have different things. You have a drum, you have a clap, you have a voice, and you can whistle. Let's mix all of this together randomly and see what happens. अगर आप ताली बजा रहे हो, सीटी मार रहे हो, खड़े हो और फिर देखो क्या होता है इस हॉल में 5 सेकंड के अंदर. As I say 1, 2, 3, 4, within 5 seconds, if you start getting up, see what happens and what the energy shift is like. All right? 1.